Hello everyone. Got home today from working and found another package from Danny Collins. Some material. FlintKnappingTraditions.com. There's his info. See what it is. It's a mystery. I don't know what it is. Honestly. There was oh shoot. I can't think. It was somebody mispronounced the name of the chert I was asking Danny for. I don't know if this is it or not. He called it Tyson, but I don't know if it's Tyrone chert. Somebody help me out. I know Danny, he's off rock hounding. And if anybody's wanting material, you're going to have to wait until he gets back from rock hounding. Yeah, that's a nice, thick, that's kind of wild, the way that forms right there. Pretty cool. Tyrone. I think I forget who was working some of that. And I was like, man, I want to try it out. And everybody else in the chat was like, man, I want to try some of that out. And then I went to talk to Danny. He's like, it's gone. I was like, damn it. But I believe, look at that stripe banding in there. Yeah. That's cool. And you know I tumble rocks, so anything that gets messed up, I'll tumble it. Yeah. Let me I'm gonna grab a rag here. Oh. Wipe some of this off. This has actually got oil on it from the lathe, so it should slick a little bit of this up. Cool. Yeah. Nice banding. It almost kind of looks like agate banding, but just solid. Oh, there's a nice one. Nice big old chunk of this. Well, we'll definitely do some spalling videos, and I'll do the pillets again. Yeah, that's nice. No, I don't think Danny, if this is the Tyrone, I mean, maybe he'll have some, but I don't think he will. He may have gave me this out of his personal, I don't know. Oh yeah. It's hard to tell with the cortex and the crust on there. See if I can't run one. There we go. Yeah. That wasn't a good platform. Sweet material. Nice little chunks too to get familiar with. Awesome. something new to try out. I'm excited to try it. Man, I really like the colors in this stuff. If you guys put mineral oil on your points afterwards, especially like Novaculite, you'll get those little fingernail. Oh, that came off, but you know it. But you'll get those little fingernail fractures and stuff. Which I'm not putting this rag on this thing because this is dirty. But oil hide those. I don't see any reason why you couldn't oil whatever the hell you want to do with it. Oil, wax your point, hide all that shit, bring out the beauty in the material. I see nothing wrong with that. Yeah, that kind of looks like that bullseye. Fort Payne, whatever that is. Bullseye stuff. Hornstone. The way the pattern is. I know it's not, but the way the... Yeah, that stuff looks pretty damn cool. Huh, it feels light too. It's definitely... It's not a heavy... dense chert. Some of it's light feeling. Yeah, that's pretty wild. But yeah, I'll do a video and get situated, and we'll see about. We'll spall this guy down. Let's see, what is he? Grab a couple of these big ones. About 7 to the tip there. About 4 wide down this way. And then we're about 2.5 to 2 3/4 thick. Man, I wish I had a big old slab saw. That'd be awesome. Slab that sucker up. Have a bunch of plates. But yeah, I'll definitely do a video with this one and a couple others or whatever with the pill-up boppers. So there you go. You guys have a good one. Like I said, flintnappingtraditions.com, Danny Collins. That's where you get your material. Have a good one, guys.